Gentlemen, welcome to Mantelligence.
We were watching a video yesterday, and it got really engaging as it progressed. Sambucha's video, called Is Your Face Attractive?, made us think of making our own video about the signs you have an attractive face. We want to teach you how to be attractive and how to get a girl using your physical features and other qualities you possess.
We'll show you the body language of attraction that will make any woman fall hard for you. And since we want you to fully understand how to attract a woman, we'll also share the number one thing you shouldn't do if you want a woman to like you. Let's get to it.
Number 7, tit for tat, left and right.
One of the obvious signs you have an attractive face is that you have a symmetrical face. It means your eyes, ears, jaw, eyebrows, mouth, and even face shape complement each other so beautifully that it looks like your left side is an exact copy of your right side. Having a symmetrical face means the proportions of your features go with each other so well. When you have this kind of face, you look good in almost any angle. Rarely will you find this face on normal people, though. Most of them will be models and celebrities who have been carved to be superiorly facially appealing. So what should you do if you want to learn how to make any girl fall in love with you, regardless of your asymmetrical face? First, figure out what angle you look best in and take photos only at that angle. Then use light makeup like concealer or powder to de-emphasize your flaws. You can ask a barber to give you a haircut that would complement your face shape well so you'd look your best, considering the features you already have. If you know how to use what you've been given, you'll feel more confident and therefore attract the women who will match your energy. And if you need some more tips, here's a helpful video on how to make any girl fall for you fast.
Number 6, pay attention to the windows of your soul. An attractive face will always have beautiful, piercing eyes that carry a lot of wisdom and personality. Aside from having perfectly proportioned eyes, it looks immensely attractive if you maintain a lot of eye contact with a girl when you're talking with her. And it helps if you have healthy-looking eyes. Droopy eyelids and dark under-eye areas won't help you if you're mastering how to impress a girl. Aside from getting surgery, you can try putting in contacts first to brighten your pupils. You may also get more sleep and apply under-eye cream to lessen the darkness. Concealer will help a lot too. Make sure you even it out and apply powder so it won't look cakey. If you have the budget for surgery, a blepharoplasty is what you need. This will remove excess muscle, fat, and skin around the eyes, making them look wider, bigger, and brighter. If you want to know how to be more attractive, make sure your eyes look their best. It might be a turnoff for some girls if you have sad, droopy eyes. Number 5, say cheese.
If you want to learn how to be more attractive to women, you should put on your best smile for them to see. When you flash a light yet genuine smile, you'll most likely catch a girl's attention. In fact, one of the telltale signs of attraction is when a girl sees you smile and she smiles back. It's one of the body language signs she's attracted to you. So let's say you're not blessed with an attractive face like the celebrities you see on social media. That doesn't mean you don't deserve to have the girl you like. If you want to show off your smile, remember that hygiene is one of the most attractive things she'll look out for. Make sure that your pearly whites are clean and smell good. And once she discovers how fresh your smile is, you will see how it changes her level of attraction for you. Here's a video of the 11 body language signs she's attracted to, so you'll know what to look for.
Number 4, does your skin need a pick-me-up? Knowing how to make any woman fall in love with you means you do a lot of things behind the scenes. That includes taking care of your skin. Sure, you may have an attractive face that women would kill for, but if you don't have a skincare regimen, you might waste a perfectly beautiful face. If you want to know how to look more attractive, you should know that your skin needs cleaning, exfoliating, and moisturizing to look its best at all times. Take your time in finding the best skincare routine that works for your skin type and see the difference it makes when you test the law of attraction on the women you want. If you have a skincare routine in place, you'll look rested, healthy, and, well, handsome. And there isn't any woman who wouldn't want those traits in a man.
You enjoying the video so far? I hope so, because we're just getting into the nitty-gritty of the telltale signs you have an attractive face. Plus, we can't wait to tell you the number one thing you shouldn't do if you want to attract a woman. Stay tuned until the end. You won't want to miss it.
Number 3, am I looking at a blank canvas?
It's no secret that an attractive face is free of blemishes and dry spots. If you're asking what do girls find attractive in guys, one of the top things in that list is how a guy looks. That's why it's important for you to look your best all the time. When your face looks clean and taken care of, you'll look like a well put together man. The presence of cuts, scars, pimples, and messy facial hair will make you look like you don't care about your hygiene. Women are usually more affectionate and clingy towards men who look and smell good. That's the body language of attraction for a woman who sees how a man takes care of himself. When you make an effort to look clean, you'll look like a neat and polished man, even if you don't have a particularly attractive face. Many things can be covered by a little concealer and powder, so make sure to use them to your advantage.
Number 2, heavy is the head that wears the crown. Some women push past the attractive face and move straight on to the hair. To be an attractive man, you should have the perfect haircut that matches your face shape and features. Talk to your trusted barber for the ideal hairstyle that will highlight your assets, such as a defined jawline, long sideburns, or even a chiseled chin. Trust me when I say that your hair makes all the difference. When you get your hair styled, ask your barber to teach you how to style it and what products you need to achieve the desired style. I'm sure you want to be the guy she talks about with her friends, and she says, "That man has the most gorgeous hair ever. I love how he takes his time to make it perfect." Number 1, double the trouble makes everything better.
One of the telltale signs that you have an attractive face is when women do a double take when they see you. They see something in you that makes them take a second look just to confirm what they saw. So let's say you don't exactly have a conventionally attractive face, yet you still want women to take a second look at you. What can you do? You should exhibit expressive body language that attracts women. Be cool yet interested. When she talks to you, don't be overly excited, but make sure to express your genuine interest into getting to know her. Be polite, funny, and engaging. Maintain eye contact and smile when she looks at you, and she'll definitely feel like you're good company. When you're emitting a vibe that you're a confident yet approachable guy, you'll attract women easily and quickly. When you flash a nice smile, she won't only do a double take, she might even work up the nerve to ask you out.
It's about time to find out the number 1 thing you should not do if you want to attract a girl.
Gentlemen, having an attractive face and a great body are great assets any woman will appreciate. However, it doesn't stop there. You should also have a fascinating personality to go with it. The number 1 thing you should never do if you want to attract women is depend on your looks more than you depend on your personality. You should work on your honesty, humility, and humor more than you work on making your abs defined. Looks can only get you a conversation. However, a good personality and an intelligent mind will guarantee a relationship as long as you find someone who matches with you. Remember, aside from making your hair all perfect and shiny, you should also work on your hilarious jokes and interesting stories to make the girl you like know you from within.
Do you know any more signs that you have an attractive face? Comment them down below.
So there you go. These are all the telltale signs you have an attractive face. By now, you should already have an idea if you have an attractive face or not. And if you don't, it's not a big deal. We provided many tips here that you can try to still attract the woman you want. And if you need some more help on making women more attracted to you, we have a helpful video called How to Make Any Girl Fall in Love with You Fast that will teach you more ways to get the girl.